Hi guys, today's video is a review video and today I'm going to give a review of a product, egg mousse soap, which is by Too Cool for School. It's a Korean brand and this product claims that they have egg yolks and egg whites. This product has egg white plus egg yolk extracts. So what happens, basically egg whites, it cleanses your skin, it tightens your pores and brightens your skin, while egg yolk, it actually moisturizes your skin, so you get the benefit of whole egg. They also say that this product contains milk protein, amino acids and egg extracts, which actually thoroughly cleanse your skin, and because they have very tiny particles, they are able to go into the skin, and they not only dissolve oil and dead cells but also to nourish and long lasting smoothness and hydration. So this is what they claim. They also say that this product does not have parabens, sulfates and it's I think phthalates. The price of this product is $20. Okay, so you can see the packaging. This product comes in a very nice, very nice, neat and clean sort of packaging. I didn't throw the packet, and you can see it's almost half. I really love the quantity of a product. It's too much and you don't have to use a lot of product when you are washing your face. You just need one pump or two pump. It would be more than enough. Let me show you. Okay, I have just taken out this much and you can see the texture. The texture is really good. It's just like the whipped cream on the cake or any puff pastries you eat, and it's not like the bubble sort of. It's a very creamy and foam sort of cleanser. The texture is really good and it does not have any air. So if you want to, if you add a bit of water with that product, so you will notice that it actually applies on your skin very easily. So I'm applying some water. And now you can see it's very easy to apply this product when you apply water. And what I like about this product, the texture is really smooth. You actually feel too good when you apply it on your skin. And even if it's winter here, and I started using it when there was summer and humid weather, and now it's winter, and I don't feel, I mean, when it was a summer, I didn't feel that it was making my skin too dry by stripping out all of the nourishment from my skin. And even it's a winter, and whenever I use it in the morning, I don't feel like that it's making my skin dehydrated, which is the problem with the oily skin. The products they use, either they just strip out the natural oil from their skin and they end up having a very bad cracky dry skin. And when you wash your skin, it does not make your skin dry. As you can see, it's so smooth. So after using this product from so many months, almost 2 months, I noticed this actually, it makes my skin brighter and it also makes my pore look cleaner. My skin look more clean and bright and tight, and it does not look like a dehydrated one. And I'm really happy with this product, but there are some drawbacks of this product. Like, you're not supposed to, even they say that it's a facial cleanser, but it is not supposed to remove makeup from your skin. I'm going to demonstrate why I'm saying this cleanser will not remove makeup from your skin. It's a very light moisturizer which I'm applying. I will use this cleanser on my hand. As usual, smaller. It's very difficult for me to spread the cleanser, and now I'm applying a bit of to make it more. Okay, so you can see This is the problem with this product. If you have something on your skin, it does not lather that much. Okay, and now I will clean. Even though it looks like that it has removed all the makeup, but we will check it by using the makeup remover. I'm taking a new wipe and I have applied my makeup remover. It's in travel bottle still, and you can see I have added, and now you can see the foundation is still there. And yeah, you can see, I'm not sure if you can see because the light is quite strong from my camera, so I also cannot see with the camera, but with naked eye I can clearly see the foundation. And you know, this foundation I have shown you, it's very light, so if it does not remove the light foundation, it's not possible for that cleanser to remove the heavy makeup from your skin. So what I recommend about this product, I do use this product, but I use it in the morning instead of night, because I don't feel that this is good enough to cleanse your skin at night. We go all the day, we have lots of pollution on our faces, and usually we have applied some sort of makeup on our skin, so it's not possible for I think it's not a good idea to use this cleanser. It's not that strong that it can rip off all the makeup, or either you can use it if you really want to use it at night. First you have to remove your makeup with the makeup remover, and then you can use this cleanser. But I know lots of people, they use cleanser as a makeup remover product because they think it's a good idea to remove your makeup with a cleanser. I also do lots of time. I don't use I don't prefer to use most of the time makeup remover. If I have applied some light makeup, I usually want to remove it from the cleanser. Makeup removers, they actually somehow make your skin dry. What I do use at night, I'm using this. I have started using this product, which is from Misha. It's another Korean brand. I'm fond of Korean brands. It's Super Aqua Cell Renew Snail cleansing foam, and I'm in love with this product, and I'm going to try or will buy its cream too. This snail line, I think it's very good. I have also used their mask, and this is something I really want to stick with it. I mean, these are the two products which so far I'm really happy, and I want to buy it again. But even though this product egg mousse is too good, but still I would give it like 4 out of 5. But for this product, that Super Aqua Cell Renew Snail Cleansing Foam, I'll give 5 out of 5 or maybe 5 out of 6. So I'm using these two products in the combination. I hope you like my videos and you like my channel. If you like my videos and like my channel, please support me. Please comment, subscribe. I need your subscriptions, and I always need your comments and your appreciation. And if you have something to ask, you can ask. Comment below, leave a comment below, and I'll reply. Bye bye.